In this exam application tutorial, we're looking at the topic of forces and motion. The question for 3 marks reads, when the fuel burns in a jet plane, hot gases are forced out of the engine. You can see that here. Explain how this causes the plane to move forward. So in other words, explain how an interacting pair of forces causes the plane to move, just like any object moves due to an interacting pair of forces. So there's 2 forces you should be thinking of when it comes to motion: action force and reaction force. So basically, the hot gases expand and basically exert a force against the plane. They rush out here because it's the only place they can escape, but they're hitting the plane in this direction. So the gases exert an action force against the plane. The plane exerts a reaction force on the gases, so whenever an action force acts on an object, a reaction force is always there as well. And you must say the reaction force is equal in size and opposite in direction. And that's the case for any action force and reaction force that are part of an interacting pair. They will always be equal in size and opposite in direction.